Hi, I'm Bennison Mackinnon and welcome to our market review for March, the end of the first quarter in 2011. The market's performed well in March, and I think with 4 good auction weekends and coming off a very solid February, we've had a strong performance. Our firm sold just over $52 million worth of property for the month of March and had auction clearance rates and success rates from weekends varying from 85% all the way up to 100%. And that suggests in any market a very strong market. We've had record sales prices achieved in the suburbs of Malvern and East Malvern in the $2, $3 and $4 million price ranges this year. And again, when we're talking about record results, we're certainly talking about a market with some strength. And it's been a good start to the year. It's probably a stronger market than we had anticipated for this year. I think coming off floods throughout Queensland and the market softening at the end of last year, I think there were a number of people that expected it might have been a fairly flat market. And with the demand that we've had for homes, I think we've been fairly surprised, but also welcoming of some strong competition and a pretty good market for the first quarter. The strength of the market seems to be for the family accommodation, certainly through the Stonington market, which we're predominantly operating. Family homes in the $2.5 to $4 million bracket, double fronted period homes offering anywhere from 3 to 5 bedrooms, I'd say are probably the most popular product in the market at the moment, and there seems to be the most interest for that type of property. There certainly hasn't been a great level of offering this year, and for what has been offered, 66 Claremont Avenue in Malvern was a very good example. A property where we saw over 120 buyer inspections in a 3-week period and a sale price well above $3.5 million, which was some $300,000 or $400,000 above reserve on the day. I think it'll be a fairly consistent quarter. I think the prices certainly seem to be stable. One thing that is consistent is that the homes offering good location layout that are well priced and offering what we would regard as sensible expectations from the vendors will certainly continue to be popular. Some of the properties that are sticking or that continue to not look like selling are generally location affected or potentially a little bit overpriced. I think we'll find that the market will probably continue to sit back on those properties and let the vendors come back to meet the market. Thanks very much for watching this month's market review. Look forward to seeing you at some of our auctions and open for inspections over the coming months.